Hey everyone, want to personalize your Qwenlm.ai experience? One of the easiest ways to do this is by setting up your own profile picture. It's a quick and a simple way to make your account feel more you. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's go to Qwenlm.ai website. And before starting, make sure that you have already logged into your account. And if you haven't, simply log in. Now look for the profile icon which is in top right corner. Tap on it and this will open you several sections. There's setting, archive task and logout. What we need right now is settings. Tap on it. Alright, you are in a profile setting. On the settings section, you can see an option of account. Tap on it. Found it? Great. Now on the screen, you can see a profile image, and when you tap on this circle, you can see a profile picture. Right now it's just my initial. Tap on it to edit. Now browse through your picture and choose the perfect one for Qwenlm.ai profile. Now tap on open. And just like that, boom, you have updated your profile picture on Qwenlm.ai. It will be now visible wherever your profile appears on these platforms. Right now you can see it over here. Your Qwenlm.ai profile is even more personalized. Why not try it out right now? Pause this video, head over to Qwenlm.ai and give your profile a fresh new look. Let me know in the comments what pictures you choose, and if you have any question, drop them below. I'm here to help. Happy customizing. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.